think all cosmetic bag factories in China are the same. That's how buyers lose money and waste a season. Hi, I'm Leo from Line Paper. I want to share a simple map you can use before your next order. In China, there is not just one type of factory. There are 4 eco bag makers: big volume PVC and nylon maker, low MOQ train case maker, and promo and gifting bag makers. Each type fits a different price, order size, and style. Pick the wrong one and your launch can skip. Now, let's talk about how you build the whole line. Line Paper is not just one factory. We are like an ecosystem service provider. We connect different cosmetic bags, notebooks, gift boxes, and other lifestyle items in one supply chain, one project, one team, one shipment. So you can buy different products in the same style in one place and launch a full line together. If you buy for a brand, a chain, or an online store, read on. And if you feel stuck, send me a message. We can plan your next bag line together.
Follow Line Paper for the right factory match.